Let's talk about the HydroStick red-headed combo. This is a basic kit. Again, this is a listening kit because it doesn't come with all the plugs. It doesn't come with the pressure rig. This is basically for putting microphones in the pool and listening. Comes with the headphones. Comes with our great pipe mic. Comes with our pool scope. And it comes with our SM1, our side listening mic. But what powers this, and the most important part about this kit, is the HydroStick. Rechargeable, the most powerful listening amplifier on the market. Again, plug any one of these mics in and it's listening to the weight of water leaking out wherever it is in the pool, in the plumbing, around the fitting, or wherever it might be. Comes with the cubes. It's fully rechargeable, so it comes with the charging cube and it comes with everything that's needed to give you a long life. Again, you could probably listen to about 10 to 15 pools with it as far as leak detections are concerned. And again, it's one of the best listening devices there is out on the market. The pipe mic is small. The pipe mic allows you to fit it inside a pipe, a return, a spa fitting, a spa jet, wherever it might be. This mic gets in there. Sometimes we can get it past the fitting, sometimes we can't. Weight of the water leaking out creates those noises. This mic is dynamic for pipes. Then we got our pool scope, drop and drag, best used over main drains, structural cracks, vinyl liner, anything on the floor, self-cleaning floor heads, whatever it might be. Again, it's weighted, so it's great for drop and drag. And then we have our SM1. You're standing over a pool wall. This is facing directly, so you're listening to what this mic is faced at. That's why it's designed this way. Great for lights, side suctions, step tracks, anything that's on the vertical wall that you need to listen to. This will put you over it with precise accuracy. A HydroStick, again, the heart of this kit is what we use to listen. Again, it's push to listen, so there's no more muting. There's no more having to lower the volume or put it on mute. Again, it's always on, fully rechargeable. LEDs tell you it's running. Whatever mic you have plugged in, it's always muted. Get that mic to where you need to get it, push to listen. When you let go of that button, it's gonna mute it again so you can move on to listen to what you need to listen to next. Again, most powerful mic amplifier microphone combo that there is on the market.